typical Honda weighs about 700 kilos.
It does, eh? Is it the ones you push back and you let go? Yeah. I'm Gary Martins and I'm from Grease Monkey Motor Garage. It was a 120 diesel standard and we converted it to a 40D 6-cylinder bi-turbo diesel monster. It's pushing 355 kilowatts on the flywheel, 1000 newtons. There was this guy that actually took a normal 1 series, he edited it and he put a 2 series front of it from an M2, but it's an edited picture. And we were like, geez, this actually looks interesting.